Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Payless Financial Training Group. I'm talking about houses again, like I have been the last couple of weeks. This time it's the accessibility tax credit. So in your home, if you are over the age of 65 or anyone who lives there has the disability tax credit, then you are eligible for an annual $10,000 of expenditures to make the place more accessible. So let's imagine you put a ramp to the front door or the back door, or you put in grab bars in the shower, or how about that ever popular acorn stair lift that you could put into your home. Anything you spend money on that is with a contractor that has an HST number, because that is a requirement, those amounts are eligible up to $10,000 a year for an accessibility tax credit. That's 15%. So if you spend $10,000, you get $1,500 tax credit. Also, if any of the money you spent would qualify as a medical expense as well, then you can claim it as a medical expense and as an accessibility tax credit. It isn't an either or kind of thing. So keep an eye on that. If you are over 65 or getting the disability tax credit, there may be a few things you could do to your house and save a little money at the same time.